Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align a picture on right side of page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to align picture on right side of this page. Firstly, we insert a picture in this document. We go to the insert menu, then click picture option. And we can see here many picture. We select a picture from our file and insert it. Now I select the picture and insert it. Now we can see here we insert a picture. We click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click wrap text option and choose in front of text. Then resize this picture some small. Then click the picture and again go back the format menu. Then click alignment option and choose align right. And we can see here we align this picture right side of this page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.